Dear students, today topic is quadratic expressions level 3. In previous class, we have completed 37 sums from 30 to 37. Yesterday I said today from 38 to 51 we can discuss. Let us start the 38th question in quadratic expressions level 3. Let alpha comma beta be the roots of the equation x square minus bx plus r equal to 0 and alpha by 2 comma 2 beta are the roots of another equation x square minus bx plus r equal to 0. Then what is the value of r? Let us write QE1 quadratic equation 1 is x square minus px plus r is equal to 0. Roots of this equation are alpha comma beta. Alpha comma beta are roots. Next one QE2 x square minus qx plus r is equal to 0. Here alpha by 2 comma 2 beta are roots. Alpha by 2 comma 2 beta are roots. Then we should calculate the value of r. Since alpha comma beta are roots here, alpha plus beta is equal to p. Using this one, we can write beta is equal to p minus alpha. Let it be first equation. Here, the roots alpha by 2 plus 2 beta is equal to q. Let it be second equation. Alpha product of roots here and here also r only. Here alpha by 2 into 2 beta becomes alpha beta is equal to r. So we should calculate alpha beta value. Alpha beta is equal to r. The value of r we need to calculate. Now from 1 and 2 we have. So substitute the value 1 in second equation. From 1 and 2 we have. So instead of beta you write p minus alpha. That implies alpha by 2 plus 2 into p minus alpha is equal to q. So alpha plus 4p minus 4 alpha is equal to 2q. So next step 4p minus 3 alpha is equal to 2q. That implies 3 alpha is equal to 4p minus 2q. 3 alpha is equal to 4p minus 2q and alpha is equal to 2 taken common 2p minus q. 2p minus q by 3. Now we can write from 1. Substitute the value here. We will get the value beta. Beta is equal to p minus alpha. Beta is equal to p minus of 4p minus 2q whole by 3. That is equal to 3p minus 4p plus 2q whole by 3. Whole by 3, that is equal to 2q minus p. 2q minus p by 3. Now we should calculate the value r is equal to product of roots alpha beta for any quadratic equation. So here 2 by 3 into 2p minus q into 2q minus p whole by 3. That is equal to 2 by 9 into 2p minus q. 2p minus q into 2q minus p. 2 by 9 into 2p minus q into 2q minus p. Here second option 2 by 9 into second 2p minus q into 2q minus p is fourth option. 38th question. He given a second option. Plenty of mistakes are there in our material. You can understand that from 38th question onwards. From 38th question onwards from 51 questions there are previous JEE mains questions. Among them and among in previous questions also plenty of mistakes in our material regarding old material. Let us try to understand this is old material. In our old material, whatever the sum is right, the correct correct options they given. Now 38 question. In the old material also 38 question. You can observe here 38 question is fourth option. So whatever the answers we got, you can try to understand it is correct answer, not in our material. Now it is option 4, not option 2. Correct the option. Now 39th question. 39th question and 46th question are the same. Thirty-ninth question, a value of b for which the equations x square plus bx minus 1 is equal to 0, quadratic equation 1, x square plus bx minus 1 equal to 0, comma, quadratic equation 2, x square plus x plus b is equal to 0, have a common root. Have a common root. Have a one root in common given. Then that's all. This is question is not in correct way. A value of b, we asked in original material. Okay, value of b for which the equation have common root in common in. And 46th question, if the equations x square plus bx minus 1 equal to 0 and x square plus x plus b have a common root different from minus 1, then mod b is equal to different from minus b. Different from 1 from minus 1, that implies mod b is equal to dash. This is depends upon the 39 question, same question which is 46 question. So we can cover the same questions. We can cover 39 and 46 in the same one. Now let us make you to remember A1, B1, C1 like this I am writing. The common root concept I want to make you to remember you. A1 is equal to 1, B1 is equal to B and C1 is equal to minus 1. A2 is equal to 1, B2 is equal to 1, C2 is equal to B. Condition of common root concept. Condition of common root. Condition of common root concept C1 A2 minus C2 A1 whole square. C1 A2 minus C2 A1 whole square is equal to A1 B2 minus A2 B1 into B1 C2 minus B2 C1. This is the formula. Depends upon this and everything I had written. We can apply here. C1 A2. So C1 minus 1 into 1 minus A2 minus C2 A1. C2 means B, A1 means 1 whole square. Power of whole square is equal to A1 B2. So 1 into 1 minus A2 B1. 1 into B into B1 C2. So B1 means B into C2 means also B minus B2 C1. B2 means 1 and C1 means minus 1. That implies you can write here minus of 1 plus B whole square. So 1 plus B square plus 2B I am taking here. 1 plus B square plus 2B is equal to 1 minus B square plus 1. Okay. Next step. 1, okay, b square plus 2b plus 1 is equal to multiply like this b square plus 1 minus b cube minus b. Now b square and b square will get cancelled. 1 also got cancelled. 2b taken this side, it becomes 3b plus b cube is equal to 0. That implies b taken common, it becomes 3 plus b square is equal to 0. So b is equal to b taken common. So b is equal to b square comma b square is b is equal to 0 comma b square is equal to minus 3. Whenever b square is equal to minus 3, so b square is equal to 3i square. B square is equal to 3i square. B is equal to plus or minus I root 3. So b is equal to plus I root 3 comma b is equal to minus I root 3. And taking modulus means only 3. Root of, so root of real part square plus imaginary part square, component square. So root 3 whole square is 3. So root 3 mod b is the root 3. 39th question, minus I root 3. Here he given second option. 39 second option, it is original. 39 also he given mistake, students. Third option he given it is wrong. 39 second option. And 46th question, the question same, JEE Mains 2016 online question, mod b is equal to root 3, fourth option there. He given 46 is fourth option, incorrect way. Now 46th fourth option and 39 second option here it is correct. Now let us discuss about 40. Question number 40. The real number k for which the equation has two distinct real roots. The real number k for which the equation I am writing. This is not a quadratic equation, simply a polynomial equation. Put f of x here. F of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x plus k. 2x cube plus 3x plus k equal to 0. It is a cubic equation, has a real number k for which the equation has two distinct real roots in 0, 1. Whenever the cubic equation having two distinct real roots, so we should discuss about third one. So how to discuss about third equation? Third one, if we given cubic equation, then we should calculate the derivative f dash x. F dash x is equal to 6x square plus 6. Now we should calculate this one. We should consider this one as a quadratic equation. So f dash x is a quadratic equation. For the quadratic equation, we should calculate delta. So now delta you calculate b square minus 4ac concept. So 0 minus 4 into 6 into 6. So 24 into 6. Delta less than 0. Whenever delta less than 0 for all x belongs to R, f of x square and x have the same sign, it's okay. So here what is indicating? For f dash x, two imaginary roots are there, not at all two real roots. Whenever f dash x is having two imaginary roots, there is no chance to get here two real roots. Because f dash x, this is called a multiple root concept. If we need to calculate about a quadratic, about a cubic equation, roots of cubic equation are roots of biquadratic equation, we should calculate f dash x. F dash, whatever the values or whatever the roots are, that depends upon f dash x. The same concept is applicable for f of x. That is why f dash x has, here you should write, f dash x has two imaginary roots. F dash x has two imaginary roots. That implies f of x has a chance to get only one real root. Only one real root. The two chances. But given f of x has two distinct real roots. Two real roots, which is not correct, which is not possible or not correct. Therefore, it is wrong. K does not exist. K does not exist. Now 41. 40 question. I got K does not exist. I am sure that it is right 44th option, but in our material 40 given as first option. It is also wrong, students. In old material 44th option. Yes, it is 40% fourth option. It is right. Now let us discuss about 41st question. If A belongs to R, this is a FP question. If a very good concept, A belongs to R, for the equation, let us write first of all A belongs to R real number. For the equation minus 3 of x minus step x. whole square plus 2 into x minus step x plus a square is equal to 0, where step x denotes the integer less than or equal to x, has no integral solution, then possible value of a in the interval. First of all, x minus step x we can understand as fractional part of x, notation flower bracket. It is called as a fractional part of x. Fractional part of x. We know that any fractional part lies between 0 and 1. Any fractional part lies between 0 and 1. Let the fractional part of x is equal to y. I made x minus step x taken as y. That implies the equation is becoming as 3y square plus 2y plus a square is equal to 0. Multiply like this. 3y square multiply with minus 3y square plus 2y minus a square is equal to 0. Now, let us calculate about y. Y is equal to plus or minus concept. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. 12a square whole by 6. So y is equal to 2 plus or minus 4 taken common, it becomes root 1 plus 3a square. 1 plus 3a square whole by 6. Okay. So y is equal to 1 plus or minus root of 1 plus 3a square. Root of 1 plus 3a square whole by 3. We can understand that fractional part 0 less than y less than 1. Using this concept, case 1 I am writing using positive value 0 less than 1 plus of root of 1 plus 3a square whole by 3 less than 1. Taking cross multiplication, 0 less than 1 plus root of 1 plus 3a square less than 3. We can write minus 1, subtracting 1 for all, minus 1 less than root of 1 plus 3a square less than 2. If squaring both sides, 1 greater than 1 plus 3a square, two cases we should use. Minus 1 less than 1 plus 3a square, this is a case. Whenever squaring both sides, it becomes 1 greater than, no need to calculate 2. 1 greater than 1 plus 3a square. So 0 greater than 3a square, a square less than 0. Every square is positive, it is not correct. A less than 0, this is wrong. Okay, keep aside. If a is 0, then a square greater than 0. 0 greater than 0 less than a square is wrong. Okay, next case 2. And also I am writing also root of 1 plus 3a square. Root of 1 plus 3a square less than 2 by squaring both sides. 1 plus 3a square less than 4. Then you can write here 3a square less than 1. 3a square less than 1, a square less than 1 by 3. Yeah, a square less than 1 by 3. And a belongs to minus 1 by 3 comma 1 by 3. Is right. Okay, next another case let us discuss. If we have taken negative case 0 less than 1 minus of root of 1 plus 3a square. here, students, this is 3 minus 1 less than 3 minus 2, everything is okay. 0, 3, 1 plus, this is 3. Taken, subtract minus 1, it is correct. If we squaring on, okay. Next, 1 root of by 3, this is 1. And 0 less than, let us do the case 0 less than 1 minus 3a square, this is a case, and 1 minus root of 1 plus 3a square. In the same model, let us cross multiplication. 0 less than 1 minus root of 1 plus 3a square. 1 plus 3a square less than 3. Now subtract 1, it becomes minus 1 less than minus of root of 1 plus 3a square less than 2. Now case 1, minus 1 less than minus of root of 1 plus 3a square and minus of root of 1 plus 3a square less than 2. By squaring both sides, it becomes 1 greater than 1 plus 3a square. So 1 got cancelled. Same we got 0 greater than 3a square. So a square less than 0, a less than 0 is wrong. So 0 should not be. Now squaring on both sides, it becomes 1 plus 3a square. 1 plus 3a square greater than 4. So 3a square greater than 3. Now a square minus 1 greater than 0. So here a plus 1 into a minus 1 greater than 0 we got. Then a does not belongs to minus 1 comma 1 we got. Let us see the option. Option is not in proper way. Let us see old material. Minus 1 comma 0, you mean 0 comma 1 is there. 0 less than 1 plus root of 1 plus 3a square less than. Exactly we have done 41 question. Let us see. 0 less than equal to the heat of, so 1 plus root of 1 plus 3a square by 3 less than 1. Exactly right. Now, if we have taken, here he is asking, it is not having integral solutions. So whenever it is not having integral solutions, here a does not belongs to minus 1 comma 1. So always a plus 1 into a minus 1 less than 0 will get. Here the option given in 41 question as first option. 41 question first option. Let us discuss the old material. 41 question, he given fourth option. It is, no, it is also wrong. Let us discuss once again. Some 0 less than and 5 less than, it is correct. Just to see the question condition, it has no integral coordinate, it has no integral solutions. So that meaning is itself, the fractional part depends upon 0 and 1, lies between 0 and 1. So that is why whenever the value lies between 0 and 1, it is not at all depends. The value will not get integral solutions. We should get the answer in proper way. 0 less than 1 plus 1 plus root of 1 plus 3a square less than 3 is correct. Now subtracted 1 plus, if we take positive, of course it is positive. Whatever the value belonging to this one, it is positive. We will not take negative. This is 0 minus 1 less than root 1 plus 3a square less than 2. Minus 1 less than squaring on both sides, it becomes greater than 1 plus 3a square. 0 greater than 3a square, it is wrong. So 0 will not be, only option 1 is there. Next one, for this one, 1 plus 3a square less than 4. 3a square. Here we have, I had done mistake students. 3a square less than, it is correct. Whenever, now this one no need to calculate this one. because 0 less than y less than 1. Of course, will not take this one according to option. Okay, no need this one. Now 3a square less than 3. Here I did mistake. 3a square less than 3. Now you can write a square less than 1. A square minus 1 less than 0. So a plus 1 into a minus 1 less than 0. A plus 1 into a minus 1 less than 0. A belongs to minus 1 comma 1. A belongs to minus 1 comma 1. 0 should not be, because there is no chance of the value 0 here according to this one. So domain I am writing as this one, no need to calculate domain. Even though you are calculating, common domain becomes as minus 1 comma 0 union 0 comma 1. It is correct. Now the question number 41, you correct the option. It is first option. Now let us discuss 42nd question. Second, let alpha beta are the roots of equation px square plus kx plus r equal to 0, p not equal to 0. If p comma q comma r in AP and 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to 4, then modulus of alpha minus beta are value. Condition p comma q comma r in AP. So condition of AP is 2p is equal to a plus c. So 2q is equal to p plus r. Quadratic equation, you can write px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. Px square plus q plus r equal to 0. P, q, r and dp 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to 4. Condition is given as 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to 4. Taking cross multiplication, alpha plus beta is equal to 4 alpha beta. That implies alpha plus beta means sum of whose it is minus q by p is equal to 4 into r by p. P gets cancelled. So q is equal to minus 4r. If I side, so put this is 1 and this is 2. From 1 we can write, from 1 to q is equal to p plus r. So 2 into minus 4r is equal to p plus r. Minus 4 to the minus 8 minus r is equal to p. So p is equal to minus r. This is third equation. So in the concept of direction, cosines and direction ratios model, in those sums we have calculated as n in terms of m in terms of n in terms of n. In the way we got p in terms of r, q in terms of r and r in terms of r. Now from QE1 we can write, from QE substitute the value minus 9r into x square, minus 9r into x square. Q means minus 4r into x plus r is equal to 0. Divide with minus r. We can get 9x square plus 4x minus 1 equal to. So a quadratic equation we got in terms of numbers. Now what is happening? Now we should calculate the, he is asking modulus of alpha minus beta to find out. To find out modulus of alpha minus beta, that is equal to, we have discussed the formula mod v square minus 4ac root v square means 4ac by mod a. V square minus 4ac, this is 16 minus of minus plus 4 9 is 36 over root by 9. 36 16. Adding 50 to 52, you can write 2 root 13. 2 root 13 by 9 is the answer. 42nd question, fourth option. Even though here also the given mistake, 42nd question, second option. In old material, 42nd question, fourth option. It is correct. Now let us discuss about 43rd question. 43rd question. The sum of all real values of x satisfying the equation. Sum of all real equation. Equation x square minus 5x plus 5 whole power x square plus 4x minus 16 is equal to 1. So whatever the value substituting, whatever the value satisfying the given equation, it is called as a root. We should calculate how many roots are there. The total, the sum of all roots we need to calculate now. Now, concept I am writing. This concept is a power 0 is equal to 1. So this should be defined. 0 power 0 you should not write. 1, this may be 1 also, 1 power 0, 2 power 0, like that. First of all, this equate as 0. So x square plus 4x minus 60 equal to 0. Of course, minus 1 whole square like that. So 1 whole square also 1. Just wait. X square, so this should be even. X square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 equal to 0. X taken common, x plus 10 minus 6 taken common, x plus 10 equal to 0. So x is equal to 6 comma x is equal to minus 10. 6 comma minus 10. If we substitute, okay, let I am writing this is 1. Let x square minus 5x plus 5 is equal to 1. So x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. This is base, that is index. Now we can write x square minus 4x minus x plus 4 equal to 0. So x taken common, x minus 4 and minus 1 taken common, x minus 4 equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 4 comma x is equal to 1. So 6 minus 10, 4, 1 we got 4, 1, 5, 5, 6, 11, 11 minus 10, 1. Another case, put x is equal to 2, that is even case I am writing. Let us verify 2 square minus 5 into 2. 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 5. Whole power 2 square plus 4 into 2 whole minus 6. 2 square is 4, 4, 5, 1 minus 4, 5, 9, 9 minus 10 minus whole power 4 plus 8, 12 minus 16 minus 40. You can write 1 by minus 1 whole power 40. 1 by 1 that is equal to 1, it is correct. So x is equal to 2 is correct. Sum of all roots. Sum of all roots. If we write sum of all roots 1, 6 minus 10, 6 minus 10 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2. 6, 4, 10 got cancelled, that is equal to 3. Chances are there, students, base you can write 1 and minus 1 and power 2. Power 2 had written, base 2 also had written. So 2 no need to calculate, once we should verify with 1 and minus 1. X square minus 5x plus 2. If it is simply 1, yeah, we thought. If it is minus 1, x square minus 5x plus 4. If it is minus 1, base is minus 1. X square minus 5x plus 6. X square minus 5x plus 6 means minus 2 comma minus 3. Roots are exist. Minus 2 and minus 3. So 3 minus 2 minus 3 answer minus 2. Let us verify the option. Minus 2 is the option. Minus 2 is not there. If it is correct, minus 2 is also one of the option. Now here it is 3, 43. Right, to understand, if we put it is minus 1, x square minus y plus y is equal to minus 1, minus 1 taken this side, it becomes x square minus x plus 6. The roots are minus 2, minus 3. They are also roots. If we put some 3 minus 2 minus 3, it becomes minus 2. It is also okay, but according to option, we did not give. According to our option, 3 is correct, 4th option. 43rd question, 4th option. He given it is correct. In old material, 43rd question, 4th option. It's okay. Now, 44th question. If x is a solution of equation root of 2x plus 1 minus root of 2x minus 1. Root of 2x plus 1 minus root of 2x minus 1 is equal to 1. Given the condition x greater than or equal to 1 by 2, then find root of 4x square minus 1. Root of 4x square minus 1. Put here 2x plus 1. Take root of 2x minus 1 this side. By squaring both sides, you can get 2x plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2x minus 1 plus 2 root of 2x minus 1. 2x got cancelled, 1 and minus 1 got cancelled. So 1 by 2 is equal to root of 2x minus 1 we got. Squaring on both sides, you can write 4. 1 by 4 is equal to 2x minus 1. 2x is equal to 1 plus 1 by 4. So it is 5 by 4. So x is equal to 5 by 8. Now substitute the value 5 by 8 here. 4 into 5 by 8 whole square minus 1. 4 into 5 by 8 whole square minus 1. 4 into 25 by 64. 4 into 25 by 64 minus 1. 4 will be getting cancelled 16 times. So 25 minus 16 whole by 16. 25 minus 16 9. 9 by 16 3 by 4 is correct. If you are squaring both sides here only, then what will happen? 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 minus 2 root of 4x square minus 1, there only you get. But 2x plus 1 plus 2x minus 1 becomes 2x plus 1 plus 2x minus 1 minus 2 root of 4x square minus 1 equal to 1. 1 got cancelled. If you take this side, 4x is equal to 1 plus 2 root of 4x square minus 1. You will not get the answers. Problem will be complicated. So better to do in this method. Of course, given x greater than or equal to 1 by 2. So 42. So this step should take a right side. Now 44 question 3 by 4 given. Students, I think 44 question is not given in our material in proper way. Options are wrong. 44 question he given first option. Here in old material I say with you the options of 44 question. First option 3 by 4 and the second option 1 by 2 and the third option 2, fourth option 2. The options are entirely different from old material and new material. Change the options. 45 question. Now 44 is not in proper way. Now let us discuss 45th question. 45th question. If the two roots of equation a minus 1 into 45, if the two roots of equation a minus 1 into x power 4 plus x square plus 1 plus a plus 1 into plus 1 x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 0 are real and this. Real gamma distinct. The two roots of the quadratic equation are real and distinct. Now, according to partial fraction sum, we have done like this: x power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 minus x square. Remember the thing we had written in that chapter, and you have done the sum. X power 4 into like this. Simply we have written like this. Plus, no need to change here. A plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Now, that implies we can write this one as a minus 1 into this is x square plus 1 whole square. X square plus 1 whole square minus x square plus a plus 1 whole square into x square plus x plus 1 whole square equal to 0. This is the form a square minus b square. You can understand this one as a plus b into a minus b. So x square plus 1 plus x and x square plus 1 minus x plus a plus 1 whole square into x square plus x plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Now we can take common x square plus x plus 1 into a minus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 plus a square plus 2a plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So you can understand, divide with this one. Divide by x square plus x plus 1. It becomes 0. No need to calculate about x square plus x plus 1 because x square plus x plus 1 roots are imaginary, not real. Because 1 comma omega square satisfies, they are imaginary roots. So no need to calculate about this one. Now we multiply properly ax square minus ax plus a minus x square plus x minus 1 plus a square x square here students unnecessary square here a plus 1 only, not a plus 1 square, only a plus 1. A plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Whenever divided by x square plus x plus 1, we can write only, we can write as right next step, a minus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 plus a plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Now you multiply ax square minus ax plus a minus x square plus x minus 1 plus ax square plus ax plus a plus x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now minus ax plus ax will be getting cancelled. Minus x square plus x square will be, and the minus 1 plus 1 also got cancelled. Now we got x 2x 2ax square plus 2ax square plus 2x plus a plus 2a equal to 0. 2ax square plus 2x plus 2a equal to 0. Now ax square plus x plus a we got. With divide with 2, we can write ax square plus x plus a equal to 0. For this equation, roots are real and distinct. So use delta greater than 0. So b square minus 4ac, 1 minus 4a square greater than 0, 4a square minus 1 less than 0. You can write this one 2a plus 1 into 2a minus 1 less than 0. So a belongs to open interval minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. And another thing is there, a should not be equal to 0. Whenever a is 0, there is no quadratic equation. A not equal to 0. That implies a belongs to minus 1 by 2 comma 0 union 0 comma 1 by 2, or a belongs to open interval minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 minus set 0. Option, fourth option given, it's okay. Minus 1 by 2 comma 0. 45 students here in our material, 45 first option given. Now in old material 45 fourth option is correct. Now 46 completed. Let us discuss 47th sum. 47th, the minimum, the sum of all real values of x satisfying the equation. Sum of all real values of x. 47. Sum of all real values of x satisfying the equation 2 power x minus 1. 2 power x minus 1 whole power x square plus 5x minus 50 is equal to 1. In the old concept, 2 power x minus 1 whole power x square plus 5x minus 50. First of all, 1 power of 0 concept. Put like this. 2 power x minus 1 into x square plus 5x minus 50 equal to 1. So anything power 0 equal to 1 concept is no need here. 2 power of 0 concept. 2 power of 0 is equal to 1 concept. That's all. So that implies x minus 1 equal to 0 comma x square plus 5x minus 50 equal to 0. Exactly here x is equal to 1. Here x square plus 10x minus 5x minus 50 equal to 0. X taken common, x plus 10 minus 5 taken common, x plus 10 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 10 comma x is equal to 5. If it is even, the chance, this is not, this is even into even. Let us write sum of roots. Of course, nothing 2 power even it is not possible to do. Only this is possible. So 1 plus 5 minus 10 minus 4. Minus 4 answer is there. 47 in old material, third option minus 4 given. Let us see in the new material 47th question. Students, entirely different. 47 fourth option given. In according to us, root 2, 2, 3, root 3. It is absolutely wrong. Now 47th question options I am writing here. You change the options in old material. Options are 16, 14, minus 4 and minus 5. They are the correct options. You correct the options and get minus 4. Third option is here. According to old material you follow. Students, total 48, 49, 50, 51, total 1, 2, 3, 4 sums are there in level 3. Okay, let us discuss the sums in next class.